Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Thank you for checking in. Like what you see, show a like, show a subscribe, share the button. I grabbed the Insta 360 1X2 and I had to make sure that lens was working well. Popped it off, cleaned it up, both sides in and out of the lenses. And yes, indeed, back on and went. And off I went to do a shot. I still got a little line, but that's what you get with 360 cameras at times. I was able to put the DJI Mic 2 on, connect, and go about my business of getting the audio we love. When we all complained years ago about using the AirPods, how bad they were. We're all excited that the Insta 360 X5 is going to be coming out soon. There's no date, but that's what people are saying. And the thing about the X5, probably be a 1-inch sensor. And who's going to have a camera out because Insta's coming out and holding off? You got it. DJI, because GoPro already put a max out and they added all the hardware on and called it the GoPro Max 2025. I'm always with an action camera and not a 360 camera. Maybe I should switch that around and be with the 360 camera than an action camera, but then my work will be so slow. And that's the difference between an action camera and a 360 camera is the workflow, the editing. You have to use Insta 360. And man, you gotta load up and make sure your machine is good enough for those files. If not, you're gonna have like what you had on other cameras, stuttering. Ah, look at the color of the sky. It's almost like a plum color. It's getting up there nice and slow. I grabbed the Cannondale right now. It's riding good. The gears are there, and I feel like I'm down on the seat. I need to raise it up, and then I gotta hop off the seat to touch the floor. I think that random just rotation got to where the gears are working fine. And I'm happy. Now, I don't have a place to put my phone on. And every time I'm on the bike, I come off, my phone says, it's on emergency. There's the color in the sky. The only shot I'm able to get down below. We look this way, and it looks like rain. So I'm thinking about the Cannondale Adventure 2 and the luggage bike rack in the back. I may want to bring it up. I did build myself my own little Rasta rail, the wheel in the back, the wheelie bar. I don't want to do a 3D print in plastic. It has to be aluminum, metal. A little bit piece of metal up there going on, give it a little shape to it, and I'm good to go. So I think I got some metal in the house that I can jigsaw around and then Dremel file it and so forth. Mr. Squirrel. See him jump? I got a pepper. One, about 4 of them growing. 6 of them actually. And yeah, they sprout up. Now they take their time. And they just slowly get started. I got this Rose of Sharon. It's been about 1.5 feet. Maybe it'll wake up this time and start to grow as well. Man, I got this African violet in the pot, and it's got like 4 plants in one. Yeah, doing mighty fine. I think I got a pear cactus. And man, I didn't leave it outside this time. And we have this other cactus we had for many years, 50 years plus. And it gave out, but I kept a little part of it, got it growing, and that sucker's gonna take off this year for sure. 2 things. I want to see that pineapple get a baby on top. And I want to see that lemon tree blossom this time. I started a lemon seed challenge. And yeah, man, let me tell you, I think I'm on what? 7 years about? 6 years? Haven't seen a lemon out of that bad boy yet. But that sucker is tall as me. I'm not putting it in any bigger plant pot, but I do gotta get fertilizer for her. For you, it's him. Information we find online. It's hard to believe that they say 5 years you should have lemons, and we don't have them yet. 2 years you should have a pineapple. We don't have it yet. I should take it outside, put it in the backyard for a couple of hours so it could grab the sun. Yes, indeed. But it's a little warmer inside, but it's going to be just as nice outside today. I haven't done this in a long time. Weather.
It's currently cloudy and 40 degrees.
What's the weather going to be like today?
It will be windy today.
What will be the high temperature for today?
The high will be 58 degrees Fahrenheit today.
So why did you say 56 degrees and you just changed it to 58 degrees and you couldn't tell me the temperature?
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
You're stupid, Siri.
I'm just trying to do my job. If there's anything else I can help you with, let me know.
All she is a computer that takes your information in. And she'll just put it up what she finds for you. Nothing more. You could basically just type it in and you can see everything there. She just won't read it off the way you want to. And you want artificial intelligence so it can read everything for you online? That when you type it in, it's right there anyway? It don't read it off to you. My machine don't have that update yet. You gotta go buy it. Well, I'm gonna turn my camera around. Mrs. and Mr. Squirrel. Speaking about running, I gotta go meet Joe. Yes, indeed. Gotta take care of a little beeswax. But it is what it is. And I'm gonna be going on an adventure. Two, that is. So on that tilting note, you got it. I'm getting on out of here. I'm gonna have a great day. And I'll see you on the next video. I'm Fish, and I'll see you later.